at this literally half a jump.
Big what a big thing that's called saltfish, you say? Yeah.
Yeah, what KFC I go, brother? Wagwan yard life people. Blessed morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you watch this. Greetings to Uno. Yard life there again with another outdoor street food vibes for Uno. And guys, we're in Kingston. We're in central Kingston. A lot of stuff gonna be on the menu today. We're at this authentic spot in basically downtown, just a few blocks away from Central Police Station. We have a real authentic cook shop across the road. Name of this place, guys, is Bobby Jerk Soup House in downtown Kingston, Central Kingston, guys. So we're head across the road right now because some stuff already there on the menu. I go and bubble up stuff there in the pot with the soup about to get started right now. Fire light up, crazy vibes. So yard life there, and you don't know, food vibes straight. Great father Bob himself.
Yeah, my boss.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Let's say upon the menu for the people this morning now.
Brown stew, fried fish, baked bean and saltfish.
And this is for breakfast, right?
Yeah, man. Callaloo and saltfish. The great old cornmeal porridge, fritters. I want to talk about fritters, but fritters, saltfish fritters. Yeah,
Straight, original.
Our fritters carry saltfish in there. Yeah, man.
Real authentic.
So just get the thing done so the people can come get them real breakfast. You know?
Where can the people find this spot?
35 East Queen Street. Bobby Jerk Soup House.
And this is just minutes, about 2 minutes away from Central Police Station, right?
Less than that.
Less than that.
Less
than that.
Yeah.
Crazy vibes. And what time people can expect breakfast?
8 o'clock, we're good for breakfast.
Naturally.
Yeah, man.
And lunch by 12.
Lunch by 12 o'clock.
Wow.
Soup ready by 10:30, the latest.
What kind of soup they have on the menu?
Today we have red pea soup with chicken foot, pumpkin chicken foot, and we have some pigtail soup down the line. I have to put cornmeal in our dumpling. Yeah, man. We don't need the sauce of flour.
Hold on, and this a for what? This a for
breakfast.
This a for breakfast?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Straight through. Yeah. Unload of peas that you know.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah.
Our little yellowish look. So you don't know, so the cornmeal set in there.
Well said.
We say cornmeal though.
Authentic vibes.
Yeah. Bubbly, you know? I secret that you know.
What's that? That's
the secret to our thing I love.
That is it. We love
Yeah,
that.
man. So we're gonna bring out the great flavors them. That's why in the game you have to find what you love. And when you find what you love, you do it with a passion. True. Yeah, man.
How long you at this spot?
Boy, this thing here come from afar, you know, a long journey, you know.
Now why you're right at this spot right here?
Well, we have been here for about inside the shop for about 20-15 years.
Okay,
Yeah.
natural.
But we were outside doing jerk chicken and them thing there.
Okay.
2018. We started on the corner about 2000. We started on the corner right down by Civic Lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can see that, guys, some real authentic dumpling, cornmeal dumpling. I go in at the boiling water over there, so you know Jamaican do them thing. Original, yardman style, jam down style, cornmeal dumpling.
Morning, baby.
The boiled banana separate?
Yeah.
Just like that, we see a couple dumpling, couple dozens well gone in at the pot. Authentic, original, crazy cornmeal dumpling people. It's a whole vibe, and I'm telling you people, them dumpling there and the dumpling are easy to make. So this is somebody who know them work, who used to them thing like that, a real Jamaican authentic person where just know them thing, and it's a whole vibe for them can experience these people. Crazy yard lifestyle, street food vibes.
So we'll get the saltfish and baked bean ready. And we say saltfish.
Yeah, saltfish and baked bean.
Yeah, saltfish and baked
Also
bean.
saltfish fritters.
Yeah. And we say saltfish and baked bean.
Naturally.
No baked bean.
Does the menu change per day?
Yeah.
So and you are running like what you have on the menu, on a daily.
Depend on the tempo, you know. So, you know, the people them love them fowl. So
Yeah.
we always have a stew chicken and thing, but this morning we just have to do it. Because we have the fish pan menu.
Yeah.
We're not doing no chicken this morning.
Okay.
You know, say a morning time, callaloo and saltfish. We try to have the callaloo and saltfish on the menu. But the people them say the morning veg.
True.
Yeah.
On the lunch menu.
Lunch menu,
you
no.
do like stew peas and all that.
Stew peas is a must every day.
Every day?
Stew peas is a must every single day.
Whoa.
We have stew peas.
For real?
Yeah. Must have stew peas. That is a must. If we not have stew peas, I will lock the shop.
Eh?
Yeah. Stew peas is a must.
Whoa,
Home style
people,
chicken,
yeah.
barbecue pigtail.
On a barbecue pigtail.
Yeah, barbecue pigtail, home style chicken.
And
So
okay,
barbecue.
but those aren't every day though. Every single day you have barbecue pigtail.
Barbecue pigtails are everyday menu. Everyday menu.
Whoa.
Only sometimes on Monday we do have it.
Okay, natural vibe.
Yeah.
Every day pigtail,
Yeah.
stew peas.
Stew peas.
And the stew peas are consistent pigtail also.
Straight pigtail.
Straight pigtail.
We don't mix up the thing.
What?
Stew peas are stew peas. Straight pigtail. We
Oh,
don't
yeah.
add nothing, now we don't take away nothing. Straight pigtail. Peas and
Natural.
tail. Yeah man. Shortly from now we will show you the whole pigtail work. Yeah man, make you know say a normal thing. Yeah man. 2 big bucket of pigtail every day. 25 pound one way. So you do the maths. You don't really dig the oil too much, you know. Flavor, yeah. So Indian, one of the anchor man them just roll in. Father Indian.
One I chef that though?
One of the anchor man them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's no oil,
So
butter.
yeah. So we are coming with a different flavor. You know, 'cause you know butter gives a flavor. Yeah. So butter will throw in the pot, you know? Yeah man. For the brown stew fish.
Oh, this is the sauce.
Yeah man, I get the sauce ready for the brown stew fish.
Oh, it smells really good as
Yeah.
well. Open the pot there.
Not another normal thing.
Whoa.
Our thing looks different. Yeah.
A lot of stuff there upon the menu, people. Breakfast, you know, hear that breakfast really by 8 a.m. and by 12 o'clock you can get crazy lunch out here, some authentic food right at Central Kingston. We can see a big pot there over here. So this is for the soup. Big pot over here for the red pea soup, people, and crazy vibe. Fire, real authentic coal fire. Can't get no better than this, people. So yard life there. Show no what I want today. But that people well organized. You see a bucket under here so with 2 buckets at that with water, spoon, fork, everything we need well organized under here. So these are the real authentic Jamaican vibes. You don't know cleanliness next to godliness.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Check the floor, you can drop the food on it and lick it up and eat.
You understand? Real, natural. Natural. That is very great. That. Fresh bag of yam.
Yeah.
Fresh bag of yam there, people. Look at that. Crazy. What? These are the pigtail I cooked today? And yes. This are pigtail I cooked today?
Yes.
Oh, people, look at this. This is literally a half a drum. Oh, leap of pigtail, people. Look at that, man. Jesus. All organized, even at the back. That's on the front, people. And in at the back, you can see all of them things. Clean running water, everything organized, pot, everything it was up. Yo, this is a whole vibe, people. Look at that pigtail free kill. God, people, don't want to smell this. We don't want to smell this literally. No oil, butter, feed a pot there. You don't know what the vibes and the sauce for the fish. Oh my God, people, don't want to smell this. We don't want to smell this through the camera. It's a vibe. Early in the morning, it's like after 7 now, and the place is vibrant. The pot them smell good. Soup pot over the side one bubble up. Pigtail, we just see a barrage with a pigtail run at the back. It's a whole vibe and yard life they have shown the whole journey, so I don't know what time it is, man.
Long time.
Bean pot, colorful.
So, when you're ready for taste, you can let me know. Why you send the scent through the camera? Yeah, man.
Fish sauce right here, people.
Mellow. Need that mellow.
So it's a vibe, people. You see that just now, a barrage of pumpkin just gone in another pot over there. So 2 pot of soup I cook, you don't know the red peas and the pumpkin soup. It's a vibe, and today here for experience all of that. Crazy vibes. Everybody I got work, who not go work, I go school, and the place is lively and vibes. It's about 8 in the morning now, and the time I run up and the pot them a baby down. Slowly but surely. So currently, people, we can see the cornmeal porridge ready up, baked bean and saltfish ready. It's a vibe, and the fish basically simmer down right now. It's a crazy, authentic vibe in the kitchen, and yard life there this morning to experience all of that vibes.
Authentic again. Like, so he's a countryman, so.
And this is the saltfish with that, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Whole bucket of fritters are mixed up right
Man, it's for the saltfish fritters. And again, I tell you, we use a saltfish.
Eating a saltfish and saltfish fritters.
Saltfish fritters. We use a saltfish.
Holy puppies there, so all of these are
Stew peas.
So it's 2 pieces. And the way that barbecue and there.
Yeah, man. Both of them. Both of them.
Not that. Pigtail. Pink and pretty people. Look at this man. Whoa. Natural vibes and a big jump over here, so literally half a jump. Oh, that pigtail and we can see it over here, so natural, authentic vibes in the morning.
Saltfish, you say? Yeah. We say saltfish. To the tip. No joke.
Whoa. People, when they talk about saltfish fritters, this is what you want to see. And of course, the saltfish mixture with all of that, which is scallion, blend of pepper, all of them things there. All of the necessary seasoning blend up, mixed with the flour dough, and of course, the saltfish. It's a whole crazy vibe, and we're going to see some of this dipping at the pot. And can't wait to see that people. Saltfish vibes, pigtail vibes.
gone for a ship.
Still a chop up. Wow. Load bucket of pigtails here right as the people is like that. Wow. More is around the corner as I say. Skim off, you know them have to skim off the fat off of it and then crazy. So hold on, this call off already? That's call off yet. Oh, pigtail look real pretty people, look at that. More pigtail of our sauce. The chop up, look at that. Baked bean and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, also saltfish fritters. Them man I say saltfish, no joke. Central Kingston, crazy vibes.
Yeah, nothing changed that. Friends break away, family stay together no matter what. All fuss each other. Family. Yeah.
Callaloo and saltfish time.
Straight. Island.
Call off now. Just see a barrage load a barrage load of pigtail gone in the pot right now. Them they gonna scald off. It's a vibe, and we're there for the experience. Yard life there for the experience, and chicken just start fry up. You know the natural, authentic yard style fried chicken and pigtail. You can smell the callaloo. You can smell everything right now. Soup pot over there, so 2 big soup pot over there, so bubble up right now, people, and it's a whole vibe. I can't see. Pressure fries. And a big company there. A whole heap of chicken at the end there. You don't know. Chicken, no, fish. Also fish and franks and beans and saltfish. It's a saltfish. It's a saltfish. We're gonna cook callaloo, steam callaloo. Nice and crunchy. I want the camera to catch the scent. Flavor.
Got a footstep.
That was man.
No, not true, man. Yeah.
What's first say thick like dumpling?
Thick like dumpling. That is not that.
Yeah man, thick like dumpling. In a thick some, have a look. Have a look.
What KFC have a brother?
We use a chicken foot here. Yeah, man. Chicken foot. We use a chicken foot. Meat in a pot. We use a meat in a pot. Big pot of big killer star. Yeah.
This tonight. Search for this tonight and watch it.
Sweet